My name is Kendall Cross. I'm a student curator here at the St. Cloud State University Herbarium. I'm going to give you a quick tour. If you're interested in watching a more in-depth tour, it'll be linked in the description below. This will be a quick one. We're just going to be walking around the herbarium, seeing what's there. All right, let's get started. So first, we have our workstation and our botanical library over here. We've also got a whole lot of old journal articles over here. Then this is our main collection here. So all these big green cabinets full of specimens. They're arranged by family, and within the family by genus, alphabetically. Goes down the left side here, and then down the right side. And then in each cabinet, you'll notice we have different colors. So each of these folders gives you some idea of where the plants are from. So any tan or white folder means that the specimen's from Minnesota. Any blue folder means that it's from outside of Minnesota, but still in the United States. This one's from Michigan. And any red folder means that it's from outside the United States. This is one of our specimens from New Zealand. And above me, you'll notice we have a variety of rushes and grasses here. Here we have our digitization station with the specimen here, show you what it'll look like when we're taking images of it. Over here's another workstation. Here's our area where specimens that aren't mounted yet go. For example, here's all kind of our unmounted specimens. And then over here we actually have our historical collection. This is where all of our oldest specimens live. They were collected by Reverend E.V. Campbell and donated to the school. Show you inside this one because it's really cool. Actually, I have some pulled out so you can see what they actually look like. They're not in the greatest condition, but they are very cool nonetheless. This one's from 1880. And from 78, sorry. Moving on, we've got our mounting station here. This is where all those unmounted specimens you saw get mounted on special archival grade paper. Make sure to keep any fragments. We got little fragment packets here. So this will get glued up here. The main specimen gets glued somewhere in the middle. We leave room for the label and for the barcode. Then we also freeze our specimens periodically. Freezing is our main method of pest control. So here's our little freezer. Specimens go in here. They stay there for 48 hours or more. And make sure that any insects that got on them don't get to live and eat our specimens. And then as you'll notice, our main collection continues all the way down this way. And that brings us back to our little library. And that concludes our brief tour of the St. Cloud State University Herbarium.